Alrighty, this morning I took our structure up just out of the way, took a porta power and supported down up under, and I had to take a piece of wood and a big sledgehammer and straighten out our lip here. I used a laser leveler as a guide, and so now we have a fairly perfect gap on the bottom. And so now that that's all squared away, our latch is working, that's all good. I took some tabs and I welded them up along our edge here so that I could take a large persuader and a large piece of wood and work this this part over to close up our gap. Because before we had a 5/16 gap, and we are working our way towards a 2/8 gap, or so 4/4. So that's what I'm doing currently. I have a lot of this gapped out pretty good. It wasn't too bad down here. So now I'm just readjusting our lip to be just a touch underneath of our quarters so that when we put the skin on the structure, it will line up nicely.
Cleaned and ready, we're gonna put it all in epoxy and be putting them together. I'm gonna spray the inside of this whole deck lid when we put it back together with a rubberized stone guard on the inside, and then it's gonna have a vibration dampener between the skin and the reinforcement. And then we're gonna weld it all together and do the outside stuff and start working on it to get in paint next month.